everybody. Miss Charlotte's like, I'm ready to be on camera. Yeah. She just loves seeing herself on camera. Yeah. Say good morning. Good morning. Yeah. So, Graham let me sleep in for once. It is 9:52. I just got out of the shower. He has to go to work early. I gotta do some dishes. I'm gonna feed Charlotte some breakfast. But you guys, it snowed last night. It snowed. You wanna see how much snow we got? Fail. Look at that. That's all we got. It's pretty much melting right now. I hate the weather. They always tell us, oh, be prepared. It's gonna be a snowstorm. You know, we're gonna be getting this much. Doesn't even happen. So there's that going on. I'm going to cut some blueberries up for Miss Charlotte. Clean up the kitchen because it really needs it because I didn't feel like doing anything last night. We're gonna do that. Graham's gonna go to work early. I'm finally getting my packages that I've been waiting for forever. It's such a nice sunny day. Can't even tell there's snow in the front yard. It's only snow in the back. Yeah, there's some snow like right there. This is where we keep Ben's toys, but there's some snow right there. But I just broke a nail. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some stuff done today. I'm gonna probably buy some stuff online on Walgreens because but my kitchen is a mess, you guys. Like, don't judge me, but this is what I had it clean 100% yesterday morning, and then we made food and I just didn't want to do anything. But look at it, you guys. Like, it's a total mess. I emptied the refrigerator, so we got some containers, but this, you guys, it's going to be cleaned 100%. So that's what I'm going to start doing right now. Okay, you guys, the time is 10:43. Graham just left. I did clean. I got the dishwasher going right now. I did clean like crazy. The countertop, I cleaned the stove. I got to just pick up a little bit more stuff in here. And my island's doing pretty good. I got to get some more stuff moved around, but other than that, I think I did pretty good so far. I don't even know what time I started. I don't know if I've been doing this for an hour or half an hour. I have no idea. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out. I think today I actually had like energy, so I'm just gonna clean some more. I'm going to actually work out. Some of you guys gave me some recommendations, so I'm just gonna work out because I got my leggings and stuff on. So I feel like when I wear jeans, I don't want to do anything, but when I wear like my leggings or all that stuff, I actually have ambition to do stuff. So Ben, go shut your bubbles off if you're gonna sit down. So Ben's just obsessed with his bubbles like all over the yard, but it is cold outside. I'm gonna call my mom in a couple minutes. We got eggs from you know, the Easter thing, so I'm gonna peel all that stuff and start making egg salad sandwiches and maybe give Charlotte some eggs to try. But yeah, we're just gonna have a nice, good day today, aren't we, Miss Charlotte? Miss Charlotte, what are you staring at? What are you staring at? Can you say bye-bye? 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 No? Yeah? No? Yeah? No? Yeah? Okay, we're gonna keep on cleaning. Okay, you guys, so, hold on, Benny Pooh. I finally got my package that I've been waiting for. I am so beyond mad about it. I contacted the movie theater because what they did is they offered a deal that, because the movie theater in our area is actually local, and they offered something a week and a half ago for this, and it sat in the one town, which is an hour away, for over a week. Then it went to Chicago, which is like 2-3 hours away, and it sat there for 4 days. And I'm just like, what the heck? Why is this taking so long? My neighbors ordered theirs after me, and they got theirs within like 2 days. So I was super mad. It has like a bunch of movie stuff in it, so we're gonna open it up. But Ben got another thing. This is Kids Stir. This box they're offering free, but you just pay for shipping. It was like $4. So it's something that you can just do with the kids. So Ben's gonna open it up. I have no idea what's in it. Miss Charlotte's just a wild little thing. What is it? Ooh, ooh, what is that? Let's see what it is. Okay. Oh, you get to make a cake? So, okay, hold on, honey. Let's see what it is. So basically, you can make snowball truffles. So there is a thing in here where it comes with like the ingredients. Hold on, Ben. Where it comes with the ingredients, and then, ooh, you can make hot cocoa cookies. That's cool.
We're not making that.
We're not making that? And then there's just a bunch of little recipes. Is that all that's in the box?
Yeah.
I thought.
No, wait.
I thought they were giving us like food items. Really? Really? So, it's Winter Wonderland cookies. So basically they give you this stuff. I'm kind of disappointed in this. So all they gave us was this little thing, which actually this is something that's perfect because you can put frosting in here and squeeze it because it's a silicone. Just one. You can silicone this. That's actually pretty cool. Just wait a second, honey. And then they gave you little tiny little cookie cutters. I would never buy this again, to tell you the truth. I will never buy this again. I thought it came with like food and everything. Like it came with like the sugar. I mean, I can understand butter, but this is kind of sad. I'm very disappointed in this. So glad I paid $4 for it, and then Ben makes a big mess with the little snakes everywhere. So now we're going to open the package that I have been waiting for a whole week. So inside, you get a big giant bag. Hold on. You get a big giant bag. I mean, compared to my kid, look how big it is. And then you also get a bucket, and it looks like it is Trolls. Is it a Trolls?
Maybe.
No, it's like
Adventure.
It's I think it's Bill and Ted. I don't know. But we're gonna try the popcorn in just a little bit. But you get a huge bag of popcorn plus the bucket. So that was cool.
The bucket's so big.
Yep. Okay, dig it out and see what else is inside.
Cold glass.
So they gave us two. They gave us a little sprinkle, and this is cheesy jalapeno seasoning. Oh, watch your eyes.
Kit Kat.
2 cups for our experience in the movie theater. We got a thing of Kit Kats.
Ticket.
We got a coupon for $3 cash snack. Ooh, Raisinets. Look at that, Raisinets. And you can pick.
More?
Okay, so this is a film strip from a movie. I don't know what it is of. It looks like somebody drowning. I don't know if it'll focus. But it's like somebody swimming in the water.
Do it.
Okay, so we got real newsreel. Benjamin got some Twix bites, and then we have a coupon for a free
What are you eating sprinkles
a free
for?
large popcorn. Is that everything that we got?
No.
Is there nothing else in the box?
No.
No. So this was just something.
I'm gonna open it.
This was something that I just wanted to do because it was fun to get something in the mail, and support our local movie theater. So try the popcorn. Tell me if it tastes good.
It's kind of the movie theater popcorn.
It doesn't taste fresh.
It's kind of reach for that bucket.
No. I mean, it's good popcorn.
Can we try to wait for that bucket?
Hold on, honey. It's good popcorn, but it just doesn't taste fresh. So we're gonna get the popcorn bucket out, and then this popcorn bucket, they usually sell it for $20 at the movie theater. Hold on, honey. They sell it for $25 at the movie theater. I gotta keep it clean. And then every time you go to the movie theater, you just fill it for $5 more. Yeah, Bill and Ted. So this is a cool little bucket that we can use over and over again. So let's go rinse this out and put some popcorn in it. Okay, you guys. So Ben had some popcorn. I ended up putting some in the microwave, just heating it up, and then I melted some butter and like shook it inside. It did taste better that way, but I don't know. I just felt really disappointed how it took that long to get my package for that. And I also realized I gotta make a video. I also realized that I haven't done a basement tour video for the month of April because I haven't just done anything lately. It's just when Graham's home, I don't want to do anything. We just want to relax. So our basement's a mess, but that's okay. You know, it's just nice to take a break. But right now, I'm going to make a video that I've been wanting to make for a while now. And I don't know when I'll post it. Graham was kind of resistant. He's like, no, you shouldn't post it. And I'm like, yeah, I want to tell people what happened. So you guys will have to see whenever I post it, if I decide to even post it. Yeah, but I'm just gonna film it and we'll see how it goes. But then when I get done with that, I'm gonna just work on some more crafts. I cleaned up, the kitchen's cleaned up 100%. I think I'm going to sweep the kitchen and also mop the kitchen. So that's what I'm gonna do too. But right now I'm just gonna film what I want to talk about, and yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm done crying. It was a long video, but I feel so much better and I want to help people over my situation. So you guys will definitely have to stay tuned. I want to post it today, but I gotta talk to Grandma about it first. So probably we'll post it tomorrow. I've been crying, that's why my nose is red. But I'm gonna clean the kitchen up a little bit. I'm gonna take all the carpets and sweep up the kitchen. So just more cleaning to do, more cleaning. I'm also gonna make another wreath. I found some summer tablecloths that I have. So I'm gonna make a summer tablecloth sometime soon. But Mr. Benjamin's making a fort with boxes and Legos. So I will catch you guys in a second once I figure out what else I'm gonna do. Okay, you guys, it is 4:27. I actually swept the whole kitchen floor and I mopped it. Ben did screen time. Ben did FaceTime with Grandma and Grandpa, so we got that going on. I just made myself some egg salad sandwiches. I have somebody coming over to buy something. I'm selling some baby stuff, which I need to get more motivated to sell that because there's a lot of people that can't go shopping right now and they might need that stuff. So it's like, come on, Jennifer, let's go. But my place is just a little bit messy. I gotta pick up some shoes and some baby toys, but my kitchen is like clean, but now those are all the dishes that I have to still put in the dishwasher. I gotta empty it, so I got that still to do. We had some popcorn already, and yeah, I'm just picking up some stuff. I just had to, we used up all of our eggs, so I just made some egg salad sandwiches. I already said that, but yeah, other than that, I'm kind of having a productive day. I'm just kind of taking it easy is what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna work on one art project, but I don't know if I'm gonna make a video for it quite yet because it's gonna be very difficult. It's gonna be my first time making it, so I think I'm just gonna make it and see what happens. Yes, but yeah, just an easygoing day today, you guys, so I'll come back in a little bit. The deer are literally like on our walking trail. It's awesome. They're running. Somebody's scaring them, but they're on the walking trail. They're on the walking trail. I'm trying to open the door really close. There they are. They're going to the neighbor's backyard. Look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them. There they are. They're going somewhere. And they're on the trail. Good job, Benjamin. Wow. Benjamin's like, Mom, the deer. Hey guys, so the time is 8:03. Grandma's still at work. Both kids are awake. I'm just gonna kind of let them get sleepy. I mean, they have no signs of being tired, which I'm just like, whatever. But right now, I'm putting the kids' Easter baskets downstairs. I'm gonna put them away. I'm gonna probably start putting everything away for Easter. I did get one thing done. It was cleaning my kitchen, the countertop, and the flooring. I mopped everything, so I feel good for that. My table is a mess again because I've been crafting at my kitchen table because it's hard for me to craft downstairs when the kids are up here because I need to watch them. So I have just got to get all my crafting stuff off the table is my main priority. And then in that corner, those totes right there, those are my crafting stuff that I have that I need to bring downstairs. So tomorrow, I'm going to organize all that stuff. I'm going to start bringing everything down. I got some stuff that I'm going to start, but I'm just going to start organizing everything, bringing everything down, getting everything all ready and organized. So that's my goal, but I'm so excited to see the deer. The deer came up super close to our house, and by the time I could get my camera, they were like running like 2 houses down. But other than that, we had just a nice relaxing day. I got packages in the mail today.
So many packages.
I got 5 packages in the mail today. But I got 2 CVS packages, and that was for my order that I ordered last week. And then I got 1 Walgreens package that I ordered 2 weeks ago. Over 2 weeks ago, and I finally got that. So I might open, I'm just letting it sit there. But I'll probably open that tomorrow. I did want to make an online order for Walgreens, but a lot of stuff is sold out, so I don't know on that, but my arm's going tired holding my camera up. I'm gonna feed Miss Charlotte, or feed Miss Paris, because she's begging for food, but I had a pretty good day. Let me show you guys what I made. Hold on, Charlotte, get away from the light. She keeps touching the one thing. So I made the letter W because that's our last name, and I made it in like a 3D print so you guys can see that it's like 3D. I thought this was going to be more difficult than what it was, but it actually wasn't. It turned out actually pretty easy. You know, from what I watched on YouTube, some people are saying it's like super hard, but I don't know. This one turned out like perfect. It's six pieces of paper, and I think it turned out cool. So now I'm just trying to debate on like what color background I want for this. I'm probably going to use the letter white. I think white would probably do good because I think it'll like stick out for that. And then I was just going to put it on a frame like this. So I'm trying to figure that stuff out on what I want to do. But yeah, I don't know. I keep saying I just have a nice relaxing day, and I do, because I heard this could go on for another month, but people are starting to not have it, and I totally understand that. And like, this would have been a great time to get things done, but you know, when the world's depressing and the world's depressing, the sun doesn't even want to come out. Like, I feel like that we've had such depressing news lately that the sun is even depressed. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Today, my mom has like 3 inches of snow at her house right now, and then there's apparently another snowstorm coming at their house tonight. I don't know. I'm happy we only got some, but it was cold out today. Cold. So I'm just happy I got stuff done. You know, I mopped the floors. I gotta empty the dishwasher still, but I can't do that when Charlotte's with me because she likes to crawl inside. But otherwise, my kitchen I kept clean, you guys. Like, I really kept it clean. I'm gonna be making another wreath, you guys, and I got some summer colors, so I got that I'm gonna probably start later on. My mother-in-law loved the wreath I made her. She's like, oh, you made that for me? And I'm like, yeah. So she was pretty excited that I made her a wreath. But yeah, I'm just happy that I got some stuff done. Graham gave me like a to-do list of stuff, and he says if I get this all done this week, he'll pay me money. And I'm like, that's tempting. And I'm like, should I do it? But it's like hardcore cleaning. And he's like, well, this is stuff that you should be doing every single day. He's like, I hate how I have to bribe you. And I'm like, yeah, Graham, but you don't have to, you get to sleep in whenever you want. Today was the first day I got to sleep in forever. But I'm like, you're not up several times at night. You don't have to deal with, I mean, I love my children, but you don't have to deal with my children 8 to 10 hours by yourself all day long. The most he's ever watched the kids is like 4 or 5 hours. 4 hours mostly. He doesn't ever take care of the kids for a whole 8 or 9 hour shift. Ever. Ever. So there's that. And he never hardly ever gets Charlotte for bed. He only gets Ben ready for bed. So it's like, Graham, you know, you can help me out with things, but I just do my own thing. If I just keep my mouth shut, then we don't fight and all that jazz. So I didn't get a chance to work out, which is fine. I might do it a little bit later. But I also want to start hula hooping. I have a metal hula hoop that I want to start hula hooping because it really tightens up your hips. It hurts, but it tightens up your hips. So I'm going to get my some of the stuff cleared off the countertop, bring that stuff downstairs, and get the kids ready for bed. And we'll have a nice, good day tomorrow, you guys. We're having a good day tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.